A while ago. Let me turn my fan off. I got this package a while ago from Amazon. I purchased it. I'm in the Amazon Thrifty Babes group. And this hair, I think, was like $9 for the 3 packs. It's a spring twist hair. You got 1 pack, and this is how it looks. It is so freaking cute. Oh my god. The hair is so gorgeous. I'm gonna all the contents out. Comes with 3 big bags like this. I'm really hoping it'll do my whole head. If not, then I just have to order some more. I got a feeling it's probably not gonna do my whole head, but I just have to order some more. But it comes with these 3 bags. It also comes with this, with a crochet hook, some clips, some hair accessories, and some cute lashes. And comes with some instructions to let you know how to twist the hair. But I'm so excited. I'm finally about to get this installed and see how I like it, you guys. So yeah, stay tuned for the tutorial on how I'm gonna do my spring twist. You're gonna need a rubber band, crochet hook, any type of jam or gel, scissors, a comb, of course, and a scrunchie to pull your hair back, and your spring twist hair, honey. So all I'm doing here is starting off with a part. I've already put my rubber band on the part that I've sectioned off, and I'm going to take my comb out my hair so there's no kinks or any pulls in it when I get ready to crochet the hair in. I'm going to take 1 piece of the spring twist hair, and I'm going to separate it into 2 pieces like so. Just pull it. I'm going to repeat this step for the next piece of spring twist hair. And I'm going to put both pieces together to get ready to crochet into my hair. Here I am taking my crochet needle, and I'm going to make sure it's unhooked, and I'm going to slide it under that rubber band. And all I'm going to do is take that hair in the middle and put it on the hook, close the laps on the hook, and pull it through. After I pull it through, I'm only going to take one side of it and pull it all the way to the other side, as so. After I make sure the hair is through, I'm going to take my hair and I'm going to separate it into 2 pieces and pull it so the rubber band can be tighter against my scalp. Doing this is optional. Everyone doesn't want their hair pulled tight. Then all I'm going to get ready to do is take the 3 pieces of hair, including mine, and start it off as a braid. And I'm going to do that about 3 to 4 times. And after I've made that braid 3 to 4 times, I'm going to start turning it into a twist. But when I'm starting into the twist, I'm going to grab some of the jam and put it on my hair. You will see here in the next step. Taking the jam, putting it on my hair, and the jam just helps your hair stay and helps with frizz and control. And here we go, guys. I am just starting to twist the hair. As you can see, the twisting part is super easy. You can twist to the right and it usually falls right into the right position. And here we go, guys, just twisting away. And I'm just going to step back so you guys can see how I'm twisting the hair and adding jam at the same time. And I'm just going to repeat this same step for the other plait that I've already sectioned off and put a rubber band on, you guys. And on this last step, you guys, I'm just going to take my scissors and cut off the extra hair, you guys. And this is pretty much the whole look. I just go through and I snip off those extra pieces off all my hair. And yeah, we're finished, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. Hope it's easy for you guys. This is my crochet method, you guys. Easy peasy, you know the deezy. See you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like. Do not forget to subscribe. And as always, it's your girl Kay coming through. You already know. Just make sure y'all hit that subscribe button. Leave your girl comment down below. See you in the next video.